Hello and welcome back or welcome to the channel. We bring you the latest and greatest in tech and gadgets. Today, we're diving into the latest innovation from DJI, the DJI Flip. This incredible new gadget is designed for creators who want a powerful, compact, and easy to use vlog camera drone. Let's check it out. The DJI Flip is a game changer, weighing less than 249 grams and featuring a foldable full coverage propeller guard. It's ultra safe, portable, and perfect for all your adventures. Whether you're an experienced creator or just starting out, this drone has you covered. One of its standout features is the 1x1.3-inch CMOS sensor, which lets you capture stunning 48MP photos and shoot 4K 60fps HDR videos. Imagine the clarity and detail in your shots. From the highlights to the shadows, everything just pops. And it doesn't stop there. The DJI Flip comes with advanced AI subject tracking, keeping your subjects perfectly framed no matter how dynamic your shots are. Whether you're filming fast-paced action or smooth cinematic moves, this drone delivers. Plus, you get up to 31 minutes of flight time with the intelligent flight battery. That means more time to create and less time worrying about recharging. But what really sets the DJI Flip apart is how easy it is to use. You can launch it right from your palm, no remote needed, and control it using DJI Fly app or even voice commands. It's truly made for everyone. So if you're ready to elevate your content game, the DJI Flip is available right now at Xboom for the best price. Don't miss out on this incredible gadget. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech updates. And hit the bell icon so you can never miss a video. See you in our next one.